Second sum. What difference we can see here is all the terms of x are now in x square. It means that was linear, power 1 था. Now here if you all notice, numerator, denominator everywhere, x का जो भी term रहेगा, the power will be 2, x square. अलग नहीं हो सकता, that numerator has x term and denominator has x square term. Not in the scope of syllabus, plus non-integrable with the available methods. So either it will be some constant, directly some number 1 or some number is there, all x square terms are there, or if there is a x value, it will be in x square only. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll assume or suppose let x square is equal to m. Reason, because if I take x square, I can't put, to find ABC, I can't put x square as a negative number, because for ABC we have to substitute anything, either positive number or negative number, but then if it is a square value, it can't be a negative number. So to avoid that confusion, we say let x square equal to m. So m, everywhere wherever we see x square, I've written m. Then usual, like the same, now like sum number 1, a upon m plus 1, b and c, we make it as partial fraction. Then start with a, so denominator is m plus 1, so I put the opposite value, minus 1. Same value I put on the left hand side also, minus 1. This is becoming 0. Whatever is becoming 0, leave it. This side also, whatever is becoming 0, leave it. And also b and c, leave it, because right now we are only finding the a term and we are taking the value according to the a term. So all that was explained in the sum number 1. Okay, minus 1. So I substituted here. This I am leaving. Then I got a is 1 by 6. Here b upon m minus 2. So the opposite value which will make this 0, m is equal to 2. Again substitute, see this 2 minus 2, this will become 0. So leave it. So these two will stay. 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. 3 and 5. So b is 2 by 15. Same thing, m minus 3, opposite value, repeat karo. C is equal to minus 3 by 10. 75% done. If we all find ABC properly, till now there is no integration. Simple algebra hai. So this ABC, substitute here, now it is like sum number 1 only, just follow. So that's why I was telling you all, stressing on that. With one sum, 50% of that topic can be covered if you all notice all the details properly. A, 1 by 6, B and C. Put all the three values and put integration. So then we can write it as I. I we can only write if there is an integration. So I am taking this equation 1 from 1 with integration. So three values, A, B, C, values put kar do, integration of the three values, and constant rule. Now you all should have revised after sum number 1 if it was not clear. All constants will stay outside the integration with respect to x only. It is operating with respect to x. Now yesterday what was done in the previous class, it was x, all the denominators were x, so the formula was different. Now here all different formula, quadratic, 1 upon x square plus a square formula, 1 upon x square minus a square formula. So only thing again here important or chances of making mistake is with value of a. अब यो a को कैसे लिखना है, स्क्वायर टर्म में. Now here it was m plus 1, so we wrote m again also, साथ में m को भी लेना पड़ेगा. m can't be written m right now because dx हो गया है. When we put integration, it is with respect to x. So again everything जो भी यहाँ assume किया, everything will come back in terms of x with ABC. So now it is 1. I want to write it as a square number. So perfect square. 1 square equal to 1 or root of 1 is also equal to 1. But ये दोनों देखो, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are not a perfect square. So whenever we get not a perfect square, just simply write it like this. 2 is equal to root 2 square, 3 is equal to root 3 square, 5 equal to root 5 square, 7 equal to root 7 square. Directly लिखो. Root equally है because it's not different. So we can just convert it to some square of that root number. And then once you all do this correctly, just check the formula A. Now here A is what? A square. Here it is 1 square. So A is 1. So I put in this 1 upon 1 tan inverse x upon 1. First part done. 1 by 6 will stay. Second one is x square minus a square. ये formula देखो. So what is a here? A is root 2 because root 2 square. So 1 upon 2a root 2 log x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2. So here we'll have to take root 2. I've written a, but now this will become root 2. So you can, okay. And third one is minus 3 by 10 x square plus root 3. So a is root 3 and it's a plus 1. So it's again the first formula. 1 by a tan inverse x by root 3 plus c. Why? Integration, all formula applied. All integration is solved. So once it's solved, constant of integration will be written. If you all want to just improve this answer, this is okay. Full marks मिल जाएगा. थोड़ा स्टाइल मारना है अगर इसको, तो ये root 2 can be cancelled, root 2 and here it can be rationalized. So if I cancel this, you all will get here. So root 2 by 15. The 2, sorry, this 2 can be cancelled. So 1 by 15 root 2 and here it can be rationalized. So this can become root 3 by 10, but not compulsory step. So just if you all want to be more accurate, then you all can do this, or your textbook might give the answer. So if it's not matching, it will be like this, then final answer will match. Third sum, again if you all notice over here, one factor, अभी ये mixture हो गया, one is a linear, one is a squared, same factor squared, repeated factor भी बोलते हैं, x plus 1 the whole square. So method slightly different है. You have to remove the LCM and then we'll get ABC. Previous two also we can remove LCM but not needed. But directly we have a shortcut method. So now first again let this be equal to a upon. Now see how we have to adjust the LCM. A divided by, start from the lowest factor 2a. So start from 1, x plus 1 raised to 1. Then increase b upon x plus 1 raised to 2. Only 2 is the highest. And third is a separate number. So c upon x plus 3. Okay. So because it was 2, we start from 1, 2 and then this is a new one. So c. So remember this step. How to adjust the LCM. Now what we'll do is we'll compare. Now here compare this with this denominator. So here we have x plus 1 raised to 1. What is missing? Equal करना है. इससे ये denominator equal करना है. तो 1 है, इधर 2 है. So we need one more x plus 1 into x plus 1 square हो जाएगा. तो जो missing है वो इधर multiply हो जाएगा. So x plus 1 raised to 1 एक missing है, दूसरा क्या missing है? x plus 3 multiply हो गया. Same b में देखो, x plus 1 whole square है, missing क्या है? x plus 3. So b into x plus 3. c, x plus 3 already there. So what is missing? X plus 1 the whole square. So whatever is missing, multiply with the numerator. What will happen? Denominators will become equal. So ये already है, इसका भी whole thing, this whole thing denominator will also become this now. X plus 1 whole square और ये, तो वो पूरा denominator of this and denominator of this has got cancelled. तो खाली ये numerator and this side numerator will be equal. तो ये पार्ट का पहले समझ लो, एक बार इसको रिपीट करो, बिकॉज 1 है या 2 है तो वो एक पावर इसका कम है. सो वी हैव टू एडजस्ट दिस. तो एक पावर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा x प्लस 1 और दूसरा क्या मिसिंग फैक्टर है? x प्लस 3. तो वो दो फैक्टर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. फिर b के साथ या तो इजी है कंपेयर करने से, ये पूरा सेम है, इधर टर्म ये मिसिंग था और x प्लस 3. c के साथ x प्लस 3 के है, ये वाला मिसिंग था, तो मल्टीप्लाई. डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ बोथ साइड बिकम इक्वल एंड कैंसिल. हो गया, लीव इट, वो तो हट जाएगा, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है अब. और अब ये वही थोड़ा रिपीट करना है. प्रीवियस दो सम का पहले ले लो, कोई भी दो ही नंबर है अपने पास, x प्लस 1 है, x प्लस 3 है, तो कोई भी x से स्टार्ट करो. x प्लस 1 का अपोजिट इज x इक्वल टू माइनस 1. माइनस 1 पूरा पुट कर दो, 3 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 5, यह हो जाएगा 0. तो ये गया, c में ये 0 हो जाएगा बिकॉज ये मल्टीप्लाई है, वो डिवाइड था उसका अलग है. तो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई जिस 0 से हो रहा है वो अल्फाबेट खत्म हो गया. 0 इंटू a गॉन, 0 into c is gone, so b 0 plus 3, b will stay, b मिल गया. Then plus 1 तो ले लिया, plus 3 है, सो पुट -3 एंड रिपीट द प्रोसीजर। तो -3 में ये 0 हो रहा है, a चला जाएगा, ये 0 हो रहा है, -3 b विल गो, ये स्टे करेगा, -3 + 1 -2 का स्क्वायर 4, ये तो c मिल जाएगा। अब दो ही नंबर है, दो ही ब्रैकेट है, वी कैन यूज एनी थर्ड नंबर तो है नहीं, सो वी टेक एनी रैंडम वैल्यू x = 0 ले लो, एनीथिंग, टेक अ सिंपल नंबर वी कैन टेक बिकॉज x है, x का तो कोई भी नंबर अज्यूम हो सकता है। सो पुट x = 0, repeat everything, but now when we put x as 0, b और c already we have got the values, तो ये दो वैल्यू भी पुट हो जाएंगे। देखो x = 0, पहले इधर a we don't know, 0 + 1 0 + 3 b आ गया, जो वैल्यू आया सब्स्टिट्यूट और साथ में x को 0 भी सब्स्टिट्यूट। c -11/4 0 + 1 का स्क्वायर 1। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन, इसका हाईएस्ट डिनोमिनेटर इज 4, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 एवरीथिंग, ये हो गया -8, 3 4s are 12, 5 3s are 15, into 4 60, 60/2 आ गया 30, into 4 करोगे 4 कैंसिल 11, ये हो गया तुम्हारा 43, सॉरी 41, 41 -8 33, 33, so a is 33/12, a मिल गया 11/4। तो मेथड इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, जब when one of the factor is repeated ऐसा होगा, यहां नहीं है x स्क्वायर, ये दिस इज नॉट स्क्वायर फैक्टर, दिस इज लीनियर फैक्टर का स्क्वायर, रिपीटेड बोलते हैं। प्रीवियस सम देखो, प्रीवियस सम अलग है, ओके। तो ये वंस वी गेट एबीसी, अब आगे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है इसको, विल सी दैट कैसे होगा। हाँ, so after that step a b c values are known, a upon x + 1, b upon x + 1 whole square, c upon x + 3, substitute the values, separate the integration, when we separate this 11/4, constants will be outside, numbers will be outside, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, adjust the signs accordingly। so 3 parts हो गए, each part का formula first and third are same, ये देखो 1 upon x plus a, log x plus a, mod positive value, log x plus a, तो इसका हो गया log x plus 1, this becomes log x plus 3, वो solve। second one is square, because of this square formula changes, इसमें square नहीं है, this is only a linear, raise to 1 है ये, इसका raise to 2 formula हो जाएगा -1 upon x plus a। formula revise करते रहो, लिखो, keep writing, ज्यादा नहीं है, अराउंड देयर आर मेन, इफ वी सी इंटीग्रेशन मेन फॉर्मूला विच आर मोस्ट ऑफ द सम्स कवर हो जाएंगे, सो अराउंड आई थिंक देयर आर 20 to 25 फॉर्मूला विच इज इजीली अचीवेबल हो सकता है। कीप राइटिंग, मेक अ लिस्ट, कीप रीडिंग, राइटिंग, ओके। और उसमें से भी और मेन इंपॉर्टेंट अराउंड 15 to 18 फॉर्मूला है विच आर ऑलवेज यूज समवेयर। तो इसका था अपना 1 upon x plus 1 whole square is minus this, so -1 upon x plus a means here 1। देखो, compare, just compare and apply, while applying don't ज्यादा formula, don't take more details, confusion होगा, how it is given, once learn it, understand it, learn it and then apply, while application don't go in much of detail, तो confusion करोगे। now you see 11, we can leave it over here also, answer is all, integration तो हो गया है, so they will accept this also, but if you all want थोड़ा और स्टाइल मारना है इसमें, शो दिखाना है, थोड़ा शो मारना है, इंप्रेस करना है, अगर 11/4 11/4 कॉमन, so we get log x plus 1 minus log x plus 3, दो logs माइनस हो गया, log a minus log b, log a upon b, so this will become log x plus 1 upon log x plus 3, log of a upon b माइनस हो गया, और ये हो गया तुम्हारा माइनस माइनस प्लस, ये सेपरेट ही रहेगा बिकॉज इसका जो फैक्ट, ये कोएफिशिएंट अलग है 5/2, वी कांट इसके साथ ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, वो अलग ही रहने दो, इनके ये दो